What if your production line was built for coding and marking? Coding isn't always the top priority when creating production lines. Not only does this slow down production and increase costs, but it can also compromise the safety in the work environment. And safety should always come first. So we ask ourselves, how can we help companies create a safe and optimized printing solution? Welcome to Domino, the leading expert in industrial printing. At Domino, we create fully customized solutions that are tailored to meet your specific coding and marking needs. If you want to simplify handling, save time, cut waste, or improve workplace safety, we have the expertise to deliver the best printing solution for your business. Our solutions are designed to meet your product coding needs, whether it involves conveyors, robots, or vision systems. How does it work? First, we start by analyzing your specific coding and marking needs. When the design is approved, we assemble a coding station in our production facility and perform extensive factory acceptance tests. Once the system is delivered and passes the site acceptance test, we will conduct comprehensive training sessions and provide you with 3D drawings and certificates to ensure a seamless transition into production. Create a production line that's built for your product coding needs today. Domino, the leading expert in industrial printing solutions.